Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we are going to learn how to register for Interac e-transfer on CIBC. If you don't have a CIBC account, we will put referral link in the description below for you to sign up and get $50. To start, open the website. Then sign in with your card number and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the left side menu. Click on the option that says Interac e-transfer. At the lower part of this page, you will see a Get Started button. Click on Get Started. Then on this page, your email nickname, email address, and mobile phone number will be automatically entered. If you wish to make some changes, just remove the specific information on the field provided. Then enter the information you wish to use. Next, read the terms and conditions below. After reading, click on the tick box to agree to the terms and conditions of the Interac e-transfer service. Then click on Next. Then pop-up window will appear. For identity verification, you need to choose a contact method where you want to receive a one-time verification code. You could choose from either text or call. After that, click on Send Code. Once you receive the code, enter it on the field provided. Then click on Next. Then on another pop-up window, you will see a message that says you are now registered to Interac e-transfer. That's how you register for Interac e-transfer on CIBC. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every